Right in front we have the buses from Benidorm and EasyJet. EasyJet Holidays, okay, because it's both. It says Benidorm and EasyJet Holidays. A lot of people are departing, but there's also some new arrivals. They also always stop here by the Flash Hotel, which is a 4-star superior, and by the Calypso. And from here people head, for example, to the Villa Benidorm, which is this one. Needs refurbishment, by the way. They still didn't change it. Hopefully they will quite soon. Or they head directly towards these hotels, which are Rio d'Or and Ambassador Playa. During daytime, this place looks very family friendly. We see a lot of families with kids. Overall, just different types of people having a walk here. No drunk tourism. There's music, yes, there's beers, there's terraces. Typical. By the way, cocktails here do cost €8 for a mojito, $8.50 for slightly more elaborated cocktails. There's a little bit of shade. This part is shade because of all the buildings that are surrounding the area. That one is the sunny side. So we can immediately see who likes the sunshine and who tries to avoid it at all cost. Like we do. Jet2 holiday bus is right behind us, right there. Jet2 holidays bringing people and picking people up, probably from their holidays in Benidorm. Quite a lot of international tourists do arrive right now. It is cheaper, it is nice, it is still quite busy, and at the same time it's still very hot. We have 30 degrees right now still. Imagine this. Wow, what is happening? Why is there so many people out here? Quite a lot of people. Oh my goodness. Woo-hoo-hoo. The John and Josephs love this place. We are fans. We've been there. Great breakfast, great meals. The Wild Duck Sports Bar. The loudest music we've seen right now. On midday, this is the loudest place probably. As for right now, all the rest didn't have music at all or had just the tiniest bit. Jet2 bus waiting. Mostly brought people here, I think, because I see people hopping off the bus. So some more lucky tourists arrived right now to Benidorm. Imagine coming from a cooler country where it's raining here towards plus 30, plus 33 with the sunshine. The Western Saloon, by the way, quite a bit of people here on the terrace. Very nice. Welcome to the coolest bar in town, they say. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it might be the case. The terrace is quite busy right now with people. The music, as usual, no night shows, since it usually happens in the evening time, but very nice place. We actually enjoyed it. It's a healthy place to stay, especially enjoy some evening entertainment shows and tributes. The Hotel California here. Once I first arrived to Benidorm, I thought this was actually a hotel. Like this was the bar, and then on the upper floor it was hotel, which is why it was called Hotel California. But it's actually not. It's just the bar that has this type of a name. $10.50 is the cheapest bucket you can get. €12 are the rest of these. Evening entertainment starting from 4:30 up until 12 at night. So basically at 1 at night they usually close down. The Crown pub, not too busy honestly, but there's some music. There's a couple of tables occupied. They have bucket deals from €10 as well. Live music here, cocktails, but so far it looks pretty quiet honestly. We've seen busier days out here. All the rest of the places nearby, this starts to be like the British Square, and the Strip is slightly in front of us. This is the area where you already have some nightclubs like the Insomnia. You all know it. There is a Jail Rock live music bar. Then we have the typical one that are like girl dancers shows, which we usually do not show because, well, you cannot show these things on YouTube. Rockefeller's out here too, which is a cabaret and a nightclub. all these places, a lot of these places are open all week in the evenings, obviously, at nighttime. But soon, starting from October, November, probably, these will be shutting down in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's going to be just weekend, because that's when it's the busiest. That's when there's going to be way more people, groups, and in general, like friends that want to go out.